All right, now, before we dig into the nitty-gritty of responsive design, there's three key aspects of responsive design that I want to run past you, and you might want to jot some notes as we go along here. So the first key aspect, fixed versus flexible widths. We want to make sure that we use flexible widths. This means that our layout elements and images and other objects inside of our layout are going to scale to various screen sizes automatically. Okay, so that's our first key aspect, using flexible widths. And by the way, in web design, there are, of course, two methods of sizing. If you don't know about this, fixed width sizing using units of measurement like pixels, points, inches, centimeters, and so on. And then there's also scalable units of measurement that we can make use of, ems, percentages, and so on. So, of course, when we're building a responsive design, a responsive layout, we want to make sure that we're using flexible percentage widths on our layout elements and images and so on. Okay, so there you go. There's the first key aspect. The second key aspect, media queries, something called media queries. You've probably heard of them. They're new in CSS3, and they automatically detect device widths and then serve a set of CSS rules specifically tailored for that device. Pretty awesome stuff. Now, it gets even more powerful. We can have as many media queries as we want, and we can set whatever device widths we want for our media queries. And of course, we're going to get into all of this stuff in short order. Okay, so media queries, the second key aspect of responsive design. The third one is the cascading effect of CSS, which I'm sure you're familiar with. We can use the powerful effect of cascading in CSS to our advantage, having our formatting and our layout properties cascade from one device to another device all the way through our responsive layout. Okay, so there you go. So there's the three key aspects of responsive design: flexible widths, CSS3 media queries, and the cascading effect of CSS. These three components are going to help us build efficient, responsive layouts. And as I mentioned just a moment ago, you're going to see exactly how to use all three of these components together in just a little while.